Hello and welcome back again to my channel. So today I'm in this video I'm going to talk about more advanced method to watch private and deleted YouTube videos. So this is the first YouTube video. I'll link this in description. So some of you are commenting that this video method I'll show you in archive. So some of the video you did not find. So in this method I am showing you more advanced. So let's see how we can find or watch a private and deleted YouTube video. So some of them from viewers send me a video to find out. So I'm gonna check this find out and the video number 32. So the number 32 video, okay, here the video. I'm gonna copy the link, link address and then paste it here. I'm gonna delete and then just keep the original video link. So here you can see this URL did not show anything. It's show Wayback Machine doesn't have that page archive. So how we can find this video? So what I am gonna do, just see the URL, question mark, then V and then the number. So I'm gonna copy this part, copy, and then what I am gonna do, I'm gonna go Google and find out the video name. So how to do that? Just copy those thing, this video ID, and then paste. So here you can see the name, edit episode 31. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy this name and search it in Google. Okay, let me remove this. Here you can see I will find this video in Dailymotion. If I click this, then here you go. Here you can watch it or download it if you have IDM. So that's how you can find this video, and I will show couple of more website to how to do that. So just copy this. After finding the name, just copy this link and go to a website called 1337x.st, and here you can search it. If you didn't find it in Google, then you can find it here. If you did not find it here, then I'm give you another website that called ptvid.com. So here you can try also. Here you can find most of the video, and the another website is ptvid. So how you can find video here? So what you need to do, just search it, search the name. Here you can find the video easily here. So this is the advanced technique to find the video. So if you didn't find the video in archive, then you can try this method. I will link down everything in description. So I'll show you how you can find the video ID. So you can search it in Google. So just copy the any of the link, private or deleted video, then go to Google and paste here, and after that you see in the URL you see watch, then a question mark. So what you need to do, and then V, just delete before question mark, and then after and after everything you need to delete, and then search it. Here you can see the video name. So that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.